everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. By the way, my name is Marian, and today we'll be featuring and talking to one of our amazing virtual assistants here at Remote Philippines Shops. So let's learn more about her story, her journey, and her experience here in the company. So let's all welcome Miss Catherine Baldo or Miss Kat. Hi, Miss Kat. Good afternoon or
Hello
good
po,
day.
good
How are you doing po?
afternoon. So far so good naman po.
Ayan, so far so good. That's all what we want. So far so good. Okay, so before we start, Miss Kat, can you please introduce yourself first to our viewers or our audience?
So, hi, I'm Kat, virtual assistant, and I'm here for almost 1 year and 5 months, I think, or 6. Hindi ako masyadong sure na. Tapos, I'm handling, right now, medyo nadagdagan ulit yung task ko and medyo naiba ulit. So, I'm handling supervision and also shadowing new hires chatters.
Ayan, so parang sobrang tagal na ni Miss Kat here in the company. So running 1 year and 5 months na. So wow, so we're really hoping na hanggat nandito pa yung RPJ, nandito pa rin tayo. That's the goal, right? Okay, thank you so much for that very wonderful introduction, Miss Kat. Alright, so next question I have here, Miss, is, or the first question I have here is, what was your honest reaction when you first got accepted here at the RPJ?
Honest, actually, na-shock talaga ako. Shock ako nung matanggap ako. 'Cause, um, I know na hindi talaga okay yung naging interview ko here. So, medyo na-shock ako na, ay, may task ako, may binigay sa akin, then, yun. So, super na-shock lang. Pero syempre, tinry ko na, pinush ko na. So, medyo doubt nung una na, paano ko na-accept na hindi naman okay yung interview ko. So, nung una may doubt. Pero, kinontinue ko pa rin. So, yun.
Wow. So parang smooth talaga yung journey mo here. And parang hindi mo na-expect. Ganon. From
Yan na nga.
unexpected to now 1 year and 5 months.
Yes.
So wow, congratulations to that. So moving forward, next question I have here is, if you can remember the first time you got in here in the company, what stood out to you the most during the onboarding or the training?
Since first job ko to as a VA, so tandang-tanda ko pa kung ano yung yung first na ma-receive ko yung message, yung first task from Sir Philip. Actually, I was out that time. So, hindi ko alam kung paano ko magre-response. And medyo hindi pa clear sa akin kung paano yung work as a VA. So, hindi ko alam na per task siya. And of course, ang pinaka-okay for me is, pag nagtatanong ako sa kanila, talagang ina-entertain nila and ina-explain nila sila na hindi kanila i-judge na something as like stupid or something, mga ganon. So, yun.
True, I agree. That's why here in the company we really hire like no experience because eventually they are really patient when it comes to like teaching, no, and giving knowledge or sharing their knowledge to every agents that they have. So that's what I love with Sir Matt and Sir Philip also. Na parang hindi sila gahaman, sinishare nila. Even though if you already have the experience or not, talagang tinitrain pa rin nila tayo for us to be more capable and parang meron tayong mga skills na nag-gain. Thank you so much for that one, Miss Kat. And next question I have here, Miss, is in regards to the team dynamics. Because I know it's your 1 year and 5 months here already. But do you feel comfortable now with the team compared to your first week?
Comfortable actually. Lalo dati kasi takot akong mag-voice out sila Sir si Sir Bob. But now na they were always asking me for feedback or suggestions. Mas comfortable na ako ngayon actually voice out lahat ng napapansin ko or kasi actually they are finding ways how to improve pa yung pag-handle nila sa mga tao nila. So yun, mas na ako, comfortable na ako ngayon i-voice out lahat. And nakikinig naman sila actually. Ina-entertain naman nila lahat ng mga sinasabi ko. Kaya as time goes by, hindi na ako takot mag-voice out. And like nung una, nung natatakot ako. Actually, nung una nga, medyo takot din ako magtanong eh.
True, I agree. Pero hindi ka talaga natatakot mag-ask ng questions sa kanila. Then eventually, sumasagot at sumasagot talaga sila Sir Matt at si Sir Philip. So it's really great then to have a boss like them. Diba? It's really helpful for us na parang hindi tayo nape-pressure because they're really cool, they're really kind, as in super, super talaga. And yeah, next I have here, Miss, is what's one thing, since you mentioned regarding our bosses, regarding the people, what's one thing that made you realize na, or parang napasabi ka na, okay, these people are really cool.
I think yung nabanggit ko nga kanina na pinapakinggan nila pinapakinggan nila yung suggestions and feedback ng mga employees nila or mga agents nila. Kasi actually may mga bosses kasi na ako yung nagbabayad sa'yo, ako yung nagpapasahod sa'yo. Ito yung pamamalakad ko, ba't di mo sundin? Diba? Pero sila hindi. They were asking for suggestions and feedback para mas maging okay yung relationship nila with the AIG.
True, I agree. They really listen to their employees. Ganon. Kasi tayo yung nakakaalam how it works, right? Or paano ano na nangyayari. So they really listen to us, and that's really important also. All right, thank you so much for that one, Miss Kat. And next question I have here, Miss, is how have you grown since joining here in the company?
Recently ako, actually nung ano lang kasi mag-join ako, more on quality checking lang ako eh. But now, I'm training and guiding new hires. And andun pa rin yung quality control, pero pinagkatiwala nila sa akin yung how to guide even the old I mean all BAs na how to guide them pag may hindi pa sila alam, mga ganun, or mga chatters.
Okay, thank you so much for that one, Miss Kath. Oh, by the way, mag-turn off lang ko. I-turn off ko muna yung webcam ko, Miss, or yung camera ko. It's because parang humina yung internet ko. Okay, so next question I have here, Miss, is what's something you learned about yourself through this job?
I think yun na kaya ko palang mag-train ng people or kaya ko palang mag-guide ng people kasi witness ko siya and hindi ko in-expect hindi kasi ako magaling explanation actually. So hindi ko in-expect sa sarili ko na makakaya ko. And I love the feedback para ng mga chatters na nag-guide ko. So yun.
Wow, that's really good. That's really good that you see positivity with this work, diba? Na, or hindi naman siguro talaga ng 1 year and 5 months si Miss Kat here. If parang toxic ng company or toxic yung work niya, environment. So I believe so, she's happy here. She's happy here. Especially that we are working from home. Flexible schedule. Plus, ano pa ba? No time tracker. No micromanager as managing. As long as you do your job, ganun lang. Diba? Eventually, makikita nila Sir Philip at Matt yung hard work natin. So thank you so much for that one, Miss Kat. So next question I have here is, what's been your proudest moment working here so far?
Proudest moment? Siguro yun na yung nabanggit ko kanina, yung feedbacks from new chatters or the old chatters na nag-guide ko sila ng ayos. So, yung feedback kasi nila, mostly ay positive. So, yan. Nice daw ako. Hindi ko sure kung totoo.
But yeah, eventually, di ba? As long as hindi naman siguro masasabi ng hindi, like parang bluff lang if they haven't experienced like what you have taught to them talaga. So, parang you've been an inspiration to the new VAs din talaga. And parang nakaka-happy nun in our part, right? Na may ganun. Parang may ganun tayong natatanggap. So, I'm so happy and so proud of you, Miss Kat. So, hopefully ako din, makatanggap ko ng ganun, but I doubt with my attitude. I don't know lang. But yeah, hopefully soon. I don't know about myself. Charot. Okay. So next, thank you so much by the way, Miss Kat. So next we have here is that what changed in regards with your personal like lifestyle or yeah lifestyle? What changed about your daily routine since joining here in the company?
Yung daily routine ko, actually, to be honest, yung tulog ko. Kasi, flexible nga yung may mga oras na kailangan kong asikasuhin yung baby ko. So, may time kasi na medyo nag-enjoy ako dun sa sa ginagawa kong task. Napapansin na abot ako ng 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. So yung dati hindi ko nagagawa gumising siguro ng mga 8 a.m. ng 9 a.m. Pero ngayon, nangyayari na siya. Yun lang naman, yung patulog ko lang naman. Pero parang ganun din eh. Parang wala akong work. Kasi pag gagaling ka, isingit mo yung work mo. Parang ganun. So yun.
True, I agree. So parang here talaga, not just in this work, but working remotely talaga, there's changes with our daily routine, right? With our daily routine. It's really helpful na parang nakaka-move tayo every day, especially at daytime yung trabaho natin, di ba? So yeah, thank you so much for that one, Miss Kath. And next question I have here, Miss, is that what's one word or what's one word that best describes your experience here and why?
One word, I think, great. Great siya. Great. Kasi tumagal na ako ng 1 year and 5 months. So, from the bottom to our co-BAs, okay silang lahat.
Wow. Kasama ba ko dyan, Miss?
Of course.
But yeah, thank you so much. You're really great then towards other VAs, especially the new ones, and continue to parang to be an inspiration to them and to us also. Parang gano'n na, okay, kaya na ni Miss Kat na mag 1 year and 5 months here, bakit hindi natin kaya? Bakit hindi ko kaya? Diba? So, continue to be an inspiration to everyone else. Alright, next question, Miss, is would you recommend this experience to someone else? Why or why not?
Of course, first of all, sa sobrang hirap humanap ng VA jobs ngayon and mostly lahat ng or hindi naman lahat, may mga may encounter ka na scams, diba? So, mara-recommend ko to kasi 100% sure ako na hindi siya scam.
Yeah, hindi talaga siya, sorry, I'm mute. Hindi talaga siya scam, guys. Kasi Miss Kat nga has been here for like 1 year and 5 months na. Tapos as long as siguro hindi kayo hinihingan ng pera, wag agad parang to reflect na, okay, baka scam to, ganyan, ganyan. Kasi eventually, hindi natin malalaman kung hindi natin susubukan. Parang ganun. So, just try guys, just try and try. Okay, so next I have here, miss, next question I have here is, what would you say to someone who's joining the company right now? Or what was your honest message to someone thinking of joining?
My honest message for you, kung sino ka mang mag-a-apply, try mo lang. Ako na nagsasabi sa'yo na hindi to scam, 100% sure ako na hindi ito scam. Kung natatakot ka, yun lang masasabi ko, hindi ito scam.
Yun lang talaga guys, nagbabounce talaga si Miss Kat and even I, na hindi talaga to scam. Kasi, yeah, parang meron agad final verdict yung ibang tao na, RPGs yan, but just try to be part of the family or the team. And you can say na, actually, you will realize that this is the best work environment. Because even I, in my journey as VA, I've been in the industry for like 3 years, but ngayon ko lang talaga, parang, ngayon lang ako like, I belong to an agency, especially that this is an agency na, oh wow, flexible schedule, no time tracker, walang micromanaging. Parang lahat, binibigay na sa'yo. Tayo na lang talaga yung gagawa ng way on how we like try to improve ourselves more and para mas mabigyan pa ng more trust or mag-trust pa sa atin yung owners or the CEOs, diba? So, yun lang guys. This is the scam. So, this is the scam. So, yun lang masasabi namin. And we just want for you guys to experience what we experience, diba? Yun lang naman yung gusto natin eh. Meron tayong trabaho while at home. Tapos nagagawa mo natin yung iba nating mga chores. And that's all what we want. What we wanted. Working from home. Lalo na yung sobrang mahal na ng mga PE, yung gasolina ngayon. So, it's really important then to have like a sideline or have a work or transition. I know it's not easy to transition, but it's okay to try to transition or to take a risk na mag-transition from working corporate and working remotely. So, you can do it guys. You can do it. Okay, one last question to you, Miss Kat, would be, or my one last question to you would be, what would you say to day one self in this company?
Sorry, nag-choppy.
What would you say to your day one self in this company? Shopee siya. Okay, off ko muna yung camcom. One last question to you, Miss Kat, would be, what would you say to your day one self in this company?
To my day one self, masasabi ko siguro, good job for trying and taking risk. Kasi if hindi mo siya ginawa, I think tambay ka lang sa bahay. Nag-aalaba ka lang ng anak, wala kang extra income to pay bills.
Wow, I'm so happy. I'm so proud. So happy talaga. Parang, yun nga, kung hindi natin susubukan, hindi natin malalaman. It all started, guys, kung bakit kami nandito ngayon, it all started with ourselves, diba? It all started with first step talaga, with to trust yourself. So yun din yung gawa kayo sa sarili ninyo. Dahil mapasabi din kayo, like, good job, dahil nag-take risk ka. Right, diba? So, yeah, I think that's it, Miss Kat. That's all the question that I have for you. Enjoy talking with you, like, at the end, kahit, like, uupo ka dito like whole day, meron at meron akong masasabi, or meron tayong pag-uusapan, parang ganun. So, yeah, I just want to say, that wrap up our, for today, and I just want to say thank you so much for sharing your experience, and it really means a lot. I know a lot of people will be able to relate to your experience also, or to relate to this. So, guys, for those who are watching this, or if you're watching this and you're curious about remote work or becoming a VA, I hope this gives you a real and honest glimpse of what it's like behind the scene, especially here at RPJ. And if you feel like this is something you want to explore also, don't hesitate to reach out or drop a comment in the comment section. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to LSSC, like, share, subscribe, and comment to our videos. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Miss Kat, for your time. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.